Hey guys, it's me, Hello Chris, and this is my new intro. Today I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious no-bake cheesecake ever. For this recipe we'll need 200 milliliters of cream, 275 grams of cream cheese, 50 grams of sugar, a splash of milk, a packet of curd powder, or as we say it in Spanish, cuajada, 50 grams of butter, and 80 grams of cookies. The first thing we'll do is crush our cookies in a blender. Once there aren't any lumps or big pieces of cookie, we'll add our butter and mix again. We'll end up with a kind of paste that holds its shape when it's crushed. Then, we'll put the cookie mix into our mold and press it evenly and firmly with a spoon. I've put a piece of baking paper at the bottom so the cake doesn't stick. We'll set our cookie base in the fridge to set while we prepare the delicious cheesecake batter. On a pot, we'll heat up the cream cheese, and the sugar without bringing it to a boil. We'll just want it hot, not burnt. When it starts getting warmer, we'll dissolve our curd and a splash of milk in a separate bowl and add it to our hot mixture. After many failed attempts on using curd on recipes, I finally understood that you have to warm it up for a while for it to solidify. So please keep it on the stove and don't forget to mix it for a while. Once the mixture gets thicker, we can take it away from the heat and let it cool down, but not for too long, since the curd will start to set. Take out your mold from the fridge and pour slowly the cream cheese mix on it. I'm using a spatula to help me with the process so I don't ruin my delicious cookie base. Set it aside on the counter to cool down, and once you see that the top has solidified a bit, cover it with a plastic wrap and put it back on the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours, though I recommend leaving it on for 6 to 8 hours. Now I'll show you how to make the strawberry marmalade for your delicious cheesecake. On a pot, we'll add 250 grams of fresh strawberries, clean and diced, a few drops of vanilla extract, 55 grams of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or water. We'll stir all of that together and then we'll bring it to simmer over medium heat for 10 minutes or until the strawberries get mushy and break down. Then we'll mix on a separate bowl 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water and add it to our strawberry mix. If you want, you can add half strawberries at this point to have some texture on your marmalade. Your sauce should have a syrupy texture. Keep in mind that when it cools down, it will thicken. So if you need to, add a little bit of water so that it oozes. And we're done! Add your marmalade before serving your cheesecake and enjoy! I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious videos like this one. See you on my next video. Bye bye!